Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Tau, followed by Fetch, Monero, ETC, Caspar, XLM, Whitebit, and then we're ending with AAVE at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Tau. So here we are for Tau. Opinions for Tau. We've already hit the skinny pink line. We're not too sure what's happening with Tau. Could Tau still go a little bit higher? Sure. But as it stands, looks pretty weak to me. We've crossed the skinny pink line. Yes, we crossed back up. We've touched it again. So I would assume there's a possibility that Tau could be doing something like this as the skinny pink line goes across. Something like this. So yeah, but there's nothing much to work with at the moment. We could also just continue higher for Tau. So yeah, we're gonna have to move on from Tau to Fetch. Fetch against BTC. Here we are for Fetch under the skinny pink line. Try to break above it. Failed. Now we're coming back down. So will this be the same thing again? A double bottom before heading higher? Maybe another double bottom heading higher? Not too sure. We're not too sure. But the moment you're under the skinny pink line, yeah, no. We're gonna move on from being long. Fetch against USD. We had two targets over here, 61 cents and 23 cents. Is it still valid? Yes. Technically, it's still valid. At what point will we consider it as invalid? Take out this high. Take out this high, that's it, it's invalidated. Right, we were working on this mountain range over here. There is the possibility that we could head back up above the skinny pink line. We're not too sure at this point of time. Anyway, the moment we're under the skinny pink line, we consider this as a bearish trend that has already started for Fetch. So yeah, you can see that we tried breaking above it, but we failed. And we're down again, so it's like, okay. This whole thing could turn into a much bigger mountain range, right? But as it stands, we're still buyers bearish for Fetch, and we're still loyal to our 61 cents and 23 cents target. Monero against USD. We look at it on Gate. So for Monero, we have three targets towards the upside: 240, 326, and 390. Are we still optimistic that Monero could head higher? Yes. The reason being, look at this. It's a squeeze, right? Lower highs are low. A, B, C, D. This could be an E. Break out towards the upside. 240, and then 326, and then 390. You see that? That could be coming on from Monero. So yeah, we're still loyal to our three targets over here. At what point will we consider this as invalidated? Yeah, take out this low here. Take out this low. That's it. It's invalidated. Ethereum Classic against BTC. Yeah, Ethereum Classic against BTC looks really sweet, right? There is a potential for a big ABC, very big one. ABC. We go up for a D, 2027, E, and then bam, we go higher. Best case scenario. So hopefully at some point we will see some sort of a reversal. We're very close to a noisy area over here. Right. So that's ETC for you against USD. Ethereum Classic is and we're under the skinny pink line. Sure, it might seem like, you know, we are in some sort of an accumulation. They could be about to break higher, but we're not too sure, right? There is that possibility that we could still head lower because there's a huge noisy area over here, right? Under $10. So yeah, Ethereum Classic is a no-go. Caspar. So if you look at Caspar, right? To me, Caspar is a bear. It's a sell. And Caspar, we already have two targets. Ta-da! Fresh out of the oven. Just today. So we are anticipating a huge head and shoulders to be completed. Right. I suspect Caspar is in the midst of completing right shoulder over here. Right. This whole thing is a left shoulder. Whole thing is a right shoulder. Right. The skinny pink line, watch out for the skinny pink line, will act as a resistance. We'll head towards the skinny pink line, and then we'll bounce off of it. Boing. And this, ladies and gentlemen, will be the right shoulder. And Caspar has a sub 6 cents target as T1, and then a 4 cents target as T2. So as it stands, I think Caspar is a downer, and we're expecting these two targets to be hit eventually. We're anticipating a right shoulder to be completed. Caspar is already in a clear bearish trend. We're already clearly under the skinny pink line. We've closed many high time frame candles under the skinny pink line. So as it stands, I think Caspar is a downer. There was already a warning over here when we touched the skinny pink line. And now we're already down. So right shoulder is expected for Caspar. Stellar Lumens. Oh boy, Stellar Lumens just keeps dropping lower and lower. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. So we were hoping that this low would hold, but nope. It has already taken out these lows. So that's it for Stellar Lumens. We're into price discovery towards the downside. So for Stellar Lumens against USD, do we still stand by our targets over here? 5, 4, and 3 cents. Yes, we do stand by our targets. And yes, we do expect Stellar Lumens to hit lower. This whole thing looks like a head and shoulders as well. So I don't have a good feeling about this. At what point will we consider this as invalidated? Yeah, check out these highs over here. So Stellar Lumens is a downer. White Bitcoin, WBT against USD. Here we are for White Bit. Okay, White Bit just keeps going higher and higher. Tradable? Nope. AAVE. AAVE against BTC. Here we are for AAVE. Okay, AAVE just started coming up to life. Right, AAVE is above the skinny pink line. Right, still above it. So technically, AAVE BTC is still in a bullish trend. Potentially, you could see AAVE complete an inverse head and shoulders. But we need it to consolidate a little bit longer. Right, this whole thing is a left shoulder, is a head, the right shoulder in the making. This is the kind of move that you want to see. Strong rallies towards the upside. Hopefully, when we do a retrace, it's a very slow one. And after that, bam! AAVE breaks out. Best case scenario. So yeah, above the skinny pink line, we switch our bias to bullish. So for AAVE BTC, we are bullish. AAVE against USD is also still above the skinny pink line. We almost dropped under, but we didn't, right? This was the point where we dropped under. And there was uncertainty over here. So yeah, where's your bro? We're hitting the skinny pink line. What's the pump? Strong rally. Very, very controlled retrace. Bam! Strong rally again. So if I were to guess how high we're gonna go, right? I think we're gonna take out these highs. Going into $300. Right. This is just shy of 300. So I suspect that AAVE is heading towards $300. But from a trading standpoint, it's just not that obvious. So nothing much for us to do for AAVE. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!